What's up, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today, going to Ollie's. Gonna see what we can get to sell on Amazon, specifically through Fulfillment by Amazon, where we buy it at a lower price that it's selling for online, send it in, Amazon stores it, ships it, packs it, deals with returns, all that stuff, and then we get the cash back at a fee. But it is totally worth it if you ask me. Amazon takes care of everything, and all you do is buy it and ship it in, set the price, etc. So that's what we're looking to do today. We're going to go in here and see what we can find. Okay, first possible find, but I need your guys' help. I need you to let me know what you think. Pantene Pro V, beautiful lengths, 17.7 fluid ounces. But if you look on the Amazon site, it's 17.7 ounces, beautiful lengths, but the picture is different. So I'm assuming this is an older like design, and then what's listed on Amazon is a new design. So what do you guys think? Do you get these? It looks like the same product, but it looks different on Amazon, the picture. Let me know what y'all think. I'm torn between them. I'm not sure if I want to do that, because I figure most times people aren't going to care, but there could be like something specific with the newer edition besides the labeling or something like that I'm not reading. So let me know. But awesome sale. Other than that, we make about $7, 160,000 seller rank. All right, so I got excited for a second because I've made so much money really from Transformers at Ollie's. Not like a millionaire or anything, but whenever you see them, check them, because they can get some really good ones in. This one, however, is not that. $19.99, sells quick, but you're gonna lose $2 on it. But keep an eye out for that. Ollie's, though, in general, their toy aisle is all cleaned up, and they are getting some new stuff in, so that is exciting. Same thing with these Nerfs. Made good money on Nerfs, but like this one, not really worth anything online. This one, not really worth anything online. These, not really worth anything online. These Fortnites, awesome though if you're buying them like for the kids or for the collection, but just not good resellers. Prime example right here. Transformers Kingdom War for Cybertron Trilogy, Cyclonus, never heard of him. $19.99, sells for $40. Super fast seller rank. We're gonna make about $8 on him. The only thing is it's got this little scratch here at the top from like where they opened the box. I mean, I'm gonna risk it, right? Because it's new. If somebody's a collector and they get that, worst case scenario, they return it and we're out $20, right? But that's what you risk every time you buy. Every time you buy something, you can make your own call if you would risk something like that with a little scratch. But this is what I'm talking about. Stuff like this, Transformers. I haven't seen any more like this yet, so I don't know if this is the only one they got or what, but always something to keep a lookout for. One other thing you got to watch out for with these is I've actually bought several of these types of things, and Amazon will actually require you to bubble wrap it, because I'm assuming people buy it like to collect it and it's been squished, or they've had complaints about it being damaged. I don't really know, but some of those you'll have to add bubble wrap, and if you don't have any bubble wrap, that's going to sort of be a pain. So I recommend keeping bubble wrap on hand at all times, but watch out when you're buying things, because you never know what Amazon wants you to do with them when you send them in. All right, so we're in the health and beauty. I found one of these. It was just sort of sitting off the side. I don't know if there's more or not, but $2, sells for $9, 63,000 rank, real fast seller. We're gonna make $3 on it. So hopefully we can find some more of these. If not, we'll toss this into a box and get that $3. Okay, so I got really excited, but it was a false alarm. I've sold a bunch of these types of things and made really good profit on them in the past and been able to buy a bunch of them at once. However, these are $9.99 and they're only selling for $20 online right now, so we're only gonna make about $1. But check this out. They have a not available for resale sticker on there, and when you try to take it off, it like messes everything up. And all of them have that. I've literally never seen this on something in a store. But besides that fact, Ollie's is reselling them, and there's a ton of people reselling them online. So that's interesting. I don't know if you've all ever come across anything like that. But just because Ollie's is reselling them and several people are online as well, I would, if I could make profit on these, I would definitely go ahead and resell them despite what that sticker said. So I'm not sure the legalities behind that, but other people are definitely doing it, and a lot of other people. So let me know what you guys think, if you ever come across that, what you would do. They didn't really have anything else in the health and beauty. We checked out the food, well, the coffee and tea anyway, and they've just got the same stuff that they've had for a while. That's not really worth much of anything, honestly. They've had the same kind of teas and coffee here for a long time, so eventually they're going to be expired on their shelves. So I'm not really sure what else we want to check out here today. I don't know, may need to take a look at something we don't normally look at. All right, checking the outdoor section, we're gonna get these. These are selling for $12, and they are $3 here. So we are going to about double our money on those. But you gotta be careful for stuff like this. The first one I picked up, look, there's 2 there, and there's 1 missing. So you gotta make sure when you get them that none of them are missing. And stuff like this, you wanna make sure that they're all like the same kind too, right? Because they can come in just like slightly different variations, like just different colors of the glitter and stuff like that. But this you can see is crystal, and then this one is crystal as well. So some of them are more sparkly than others, but they're all the same. So we're gonna pick those up, double our money on them. And I believe these up here, same thing, they're $4, and I think they're selling for $12, so we're gonna make double our money on those as well. So we're gonna get a couple of them. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. I've checked out really everything that I want to check out. Didn't find too many things, maybe about $40, $50 worth of profit, but that's how it goes, right? So we'll get that in the cart, we'll check out, and I think we may stop one more place. I'm not sure where yet. So let's get going out of Ollie's though, and see what else we got. Okay, TJ Maxx is gonna be our next stop. Why? Because between TJ Maxx and Walmart, I have more like a TJ Maxx. I was thinking Walmart, but I was like, you know what? Let's do TJ Maxx. So let's see what we can get. It took me about 2.5 minutes to go through this. This is all stuff that I've looked through before. They don't really have anything new. Just a reminder, watch out for Lucetta. They do tend to not block people from selling, but then file IP complaints. At least it's organized and there's not stuff all over, so we can just do a quick look over and see that there's really not anything worth getting. Unless y'all see something, you can put it in the comments, you missed it. So, but makes it nice and easy to move on. Same thing with the makeup, nothing new here, all the same stuff. I checked out a few little things, but nothing really good. Tip though, don't sleep on Physicians Formula. You can find some stuff that makes some pretty good profit there sometimes. Let's check out the topicals. All right, so these used to be really good. You're gonna have to make the call on them now. They're $8 and you can make 3 on them, and they sell super fast. Their soap is what they are. So it's actually pretty good soap. I actually like it. These, same thing, you're gonna spend 5 and you're gonna make about 2, but they're super fast sellers. So it just depends on what your parameters are. And there are quite a few of them up there. Again, y'all have to make the call. Super fast seller, coconut milk body lotion, Korean or something, I guess. $6, but you're gonna make 3 on it. So I think I might actually get those 3, 6, 9, because that's about $10 right there. I think I might get a few of those. Sandals. I typically love looking for sandals in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those kind of places, but nothing really is making any profit right now, and they haven't really got anything new either. So gonna definitely be keeping my eye out. Cuisinart slotted turner, $5, sells in the 17 range. Spend 5, you'd be profiting about 3. Decent seller rank. Anytime I go through these utensils, I always pretty much look for any kind of name brand, but Cuisinart seems to be the one that I have the most luck with. Teas, always check out the teas, any kind of dry spices and stuff that they have. Coffees, they're sort of wiped out right now. I guess a lot of places are sort of wiped out right now. So I didn't find anything here to pick up, but definitely a place to make sure that you look. Okay, clothes. I gave it a once over. I'll save you all the misery. Not really a lot going on in the clothes. Some bikes though, some Huffy bikes. Not good for reselling, I imagine, but you know, if you're looking for a bike, maybe add TJ Maxx to the list of places you look. So I think that's pretty much it for here. Really didn't find anything, but we found some potentials. So I'm gonna finish up, and then we'll catch back up when I'm out of the store. All right, finished up at TJ Maxx. Not a whole lot there, but there were some potentials. So I hope you all learned something, got some ideas of what to look for. Some of that stuff, you know, when you're spending 5, making 2, making 3, it just depends, right? Like for me, it's worth it if I can get like 10 of them, and I'm already sending in a box or something like that. But you know, I go back and forth between it. So didn't find any huge scores today. We did find a little bit at Ollie's and some stuff at TJ Maxx too. But it seems like, man, it seems like the summer, every summer just hits hard for, at least for me, during reselling. Like stores aren't stocked. There's not really a whole lot there. You'll find some one-offs and some, you know, some deals. It's still out there, but for me, at least with retail arbitrage, the summer's typically been a slower time. So I look forward to the weather changing, the seasons changing, and getting more stuff in there, the stores in, and then you know, pumping Amazon full of profitable products. So anyway, yeah, thanks for coming along. I hope y'all learned something. Looking forward to the comments, and we'll keep hustling, we'll keep grinding, and you know, I'll keep sharing it with you all. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure to leave them in the comments. Take it easy. Don't be a jerk. Be kind to people. Be kind to yourself. And until next time, I'll catch you all later.